Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take a look with you into a truth that you need to know about dietary supplements. Did you know that the Federal Food and Drug Administration, otherwise known as the FDA, has recalled numerous dietary supplements that are over-the-counter and non-prescription due to them containing dangerous prescription drugs? Yes, that's correct. In some instances, a supplement manufacturer is particularly vigilant. They may issue their own voluntary recall of an over-the-counter dietary supplement. Stay tuned to find out more about this. Over the years, the FDA has issued many recalls of over-the-counter dietary supplements which were found to contain prescription drugs in them. These hidden drugs can cause potentially serious side effects or other interactions with other supplements or prescription medications. So how does this happen? Well, the supplement industry is not regulated in the exact same manner as prescription medications are regulated. Examples where this has happened include the following. In the past, some male enhancement over-the-counter supplements have been found to contain prescription vasodilators, that is, drugs which dilate the blood vessels. These can be exceedingly dangerous in patients with low blood pressure conditions or coronary artery disease. Other examples include weight loss supplements that contain weight loss prescription drugs that are banned in the United States, and synthetic steroids or steroid-like ingredients for muscle-building supplements. Just recently, a day or two before this video was published, a company issued a voluntary nationwide recall of advanced glucose support supplements capsules. This recall was made due to the presence of undeclared glyburide and metformin contained in the supplement. Glyburide and metformin are two prescription drugs that are used in the United States for the treatment of diabetes. Glyburide can pose serious and potentially life-threatening risks because this drug can result in unsafe drops in blood sugars, otherwise known as hypoglycemia. Symptoms of hypoglycemia can include shaking, sweating, nervousness, fast heartbeat, confusion, dizziness, headache, or even loss of consciousness, seizures, coma, or death. Let's switch gears now and talk about how, in general, prescription drugs may wind up in over-the-counter dietary supplements. Supplement manufacturers may cut corners, which results in risking your health for profit. They may use substandard ingredients, they may disregard quality control, or in some cases, they may even intentionally add prescription drugs to enhance the product's effects. The FDA does not have the authority to approve dietary supplements before they are marketed. Generally speaking, a company does not have to provide the FDA with evidence that it relies on to substantiate the safety before or after it markets its products. The FDA generally doesn't approve dietary supplement claims or other labeling before use. The primary responsibility for the sale of safe dietary supplements falls on the manufacturers themselves. The FDA is limited to post-market enforcement, meaning enforcement after supplements have been manufactured and placed for sale, because unlike drugs, there are no provisions in the law for the FDA to approve dietary supplements for safety before they are made available to the consumer. To protect yourself, always check for FDA warnings and recalls before purchasing any dietary supplements. You can visit the FDA website for the latest information on recalls and potential risks associated with dietary supplements. Read the labels carefully to be sure that there's not ingredients in the supplement you're purchasing that may cause either side effects or interactions with other medications that you take, or that may cause a potential problem such as alertness when you're going to be operating machinery or doing something else that you need to be fully awake for. You can learn more about supplements on the FDA's website. The link is shown here on your video screen. Please share this important information with your friends and family. Thanks very much for watching this video and joining me in in learning about this important topic. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to my channel and spread the word for more informative content. As always, check with your own healthcare providers when starting any new drugs or making any changes in any of your healthcare regimens. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and until the next video, stay healthy.